long before the first cities were built, long before humans carved their stories into stone or pressed cuneiform onto clay tablets. It was said that something extraordinary had occurred on Earth. The sky split open. Beings descended, radiant, powerful, beyond human comprehension, not as myths, not as symbols, but as rulers, as teachers, as the architects of civilization itself. In Mesopotamia, they were called the Anunnaki, those who came down from the heavens. In ancient India, they were known as the Devas, the Shining Ones, two civilizations, separated by vast distances, speaking unrelated languages, yet describing the same phenomenon, divine beings who shaped humanity's destiny. Was this mere coincidence, or evidence of a shared memory, fragmented, encrypted, preserved across continents? The Sumerians claimed these beings taught them agriculture, architecture, and writing. They granted authority to kings, structure to laws, and order to cities. Described as taller, stronger, and wiser than us, wielding tools and weapons beyond description. Meanwhile, in the Rigveda, one of the world's oldest texts, we find hymns to gods who command thunder, fire, and cosmic law. Indra, master of lightning. Yugni, who brings fire from the sky. Varuna, guardian of the oceans and the heavens. The parallel is not vague, it is precise. Enlil, the Sumerian storm god, mirrors Indra, king of the heavens. Enki, god of water and wisdom, echoes Varuna, master of cosmic order. Both traditions speak of wars among the gods, conflicts that reshaped the earth and unleashed devastating forces. And then there is creation. Sumerian texts state that humans were fashioned by mixing divine essence with a primitive species, created to serve the Anunnaki. Vedic texts describe humanity emerging from the sacrifice of a cosmic being, each limb giving rise to a caste, a role, a purpose. Were these metaphors, or encrypted records of genetic intervention? The Anunnaki arrived in flying chambers, fiery vessels descending from the sky. The Vedic texts speak of Vimanas, multi-tiered aerial vehicles, roaring like thunder, capable of crossing continents, armed with powerful weapons. Were these mythic chariots? Or technology so advanced it became legend? Even the symbolism converges. The Sumerian winged disc, symbol of divine authority, is nearly identical to Vishnu's chakra. Both cultures speak of the tree of life, 7 heavenly realms, and 7 sages guiding humanity. The number 7 repeats endlessly. 7 planets, 7 laws, 7 steps to immortality. How is this possible? 2 ancient civilizations, separated by geography and time, describing the same gods, technologies, wars, and cosmologies. Some claim it spread through trade and migration. Others suggest coincidence. But what if neither is correct? What if these myths are not stories, but memories? Fragments of a prehistoric truth, not invented, but inherited. A lost civilization, older than recorded history, that seeded knowledge and then vanished. What if the Anunnaki and the Devas were never separate? What if they were one, remembered differently by 2 cultures speaking different languages, yet preserving the same core narrative? And what if they never truly left? What if they still watch from the stars, from the shadows of forgotten temples, shaping humanity's path? Perhaps beneath the sands of Mesopotamia and the riverbeds of India, evidence awaits discovery. A shared legacy, one truth, waiting for us to be ready to see it.